And please note here, although the address is to Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam personally, Ya ayyuhan Nabi, but the Prophet never divorced a wife throughout his life. Rather wrote that he could not divorce a wife. It was not possible for him. Why? Because the wives of the Prophet became mothers for the whole of Ummah. وَأَزْوَاجُهُ أُمَّهَاتُهُمْ. All his wives are like mothers to the whole of the Ummah. Now, if the Prophet divorced any of his wives, they couldn't marry any person. They couldn't marry any other person, any other Muslims, because their level was raised to the level of the mothers of the Ummah. وَأَزْوَاجُهُ أُمَّهَاتُهُمْ. All the wives of the Prophet ﷺ are like mothers to the whole of the Ummah. So he couldn't divorce any of his wives. That is why he was allowed more than 4 wives. If there are requirements, if there are the social order and the political system of that day or that time, it has its own requirements. If you feel like having more wives, you can have more than 4. And this is the exception. No other Muslim could have more than 4 wives at one time, except Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It was allowed to him, because he could not divorce any of his wives. So he was allowed to have more than 4 wives at a time.